I'm here with Steve Martin, who is the new chairman of CEDIA Region 1.
Yeah.
Okay, Region 1 is Europe, Africa, India, Middle East, and Russia. So we've got actually the biggest zone in terms of geographical terms. Maybe you can give us a little bit of background into the training that you've been running here at ISE 09.
Sure.
And then we'll lead into the CEDIA Expo next June.
Sure. The training we've been doing here has been three tutorials a day here, which are like short 45-minute breaks, just talking about technology trends, talking about making profits from things like Macs and Apples, anything that's really topical. And then we've been doing some lengthy 3-hour courses in some of the training rooms based on IP technology and control systems. And we've been doing CPD accredited, i.e. continuous development points accredited courses for interior designers and architects out in the big theatre, which have been very well attended. We've been really pleased because a lot of the time you don't get too many of the people like that at this show.
Well, the show has been a big success in terms of numbers. We're talking about 24,000-ish of people, which is a massive. It's another 10% up from last year, which means that the industry may be getting through this financial crisis better than some.
I think there's a lot of commitment to making it happen, and rather than looking at that kind of abyss that people are looking at the moment, most people should be seeing that as a hole in the road. You know, that's just we're going to come through that, and we need to position ourselves as companies to do that.
That's the whole deal: is position yourself to be the best position when the crisis ends, to get market share, gain market share, and that's where training is key.
Of course, education helps that dramatically. You know, if you've got educated members of staff and you know where your focus is, you can drive business through that sector. You can either become the cheapest or you can become the best, and certainly CEDIA isn't about being the cheapest.
So let's be the best. Why don't we talk a little bit about the training programs and the Expo in June?
Okay.
It's the 22nd to the 25th of June.
Indeed. And we have some 80 courses, training courses. Again, some of those will be bite-sized and free of charge. Some will be whole-day courses with certification going on. As you know, we have mandatory certification to be a member now.
Yeah.
So far we're about 65% sold out on the booths, and we've taken a lot of orders for new booths at this show because, of course, the UK is unique. You know, there's only about 2,000 people come from the UK to this show, and last year attendance figures were around 7,000. And of course, there's no commercial side. No. You know, the CEDIA show is just for custom install, domestic custom install. And so yeah, we're really looking forward to having a great show. Lots of new training being written as we speak.
Between now and then, if people still want to submit for the CEDIA Awards, which we've talked about before.
What a success.
That was a huge success with a huge dinner and a huge party.
Absolutely.
People want to see it, they can go on the site and see some of the pictures from it. But that was a huge success. There's still a little bit of time left, and the awards dinner is the dates are in May.
Do you know, I'm not sure.
Well, we'll tell them. We'll put a link under here.
Put a link on
they'll go on the dates.
The marketing team know the dates. I have to judge the awards as the chairman of CEDIA, and I'm start judging in the end of February. We've left a little bit of leeway to make sure that people can get those in. We've had some promises for some really exciting new stuff. We've got 9 different countries now that are actually giving us.
Well, they were continental winners last year. There were 2 from France.
Absolutely,
yeah, that's pretty cool.
And those guys are really excited about doing it.
I think what's important to say to the people out there that it's a blind testing. I mean, basically, no one knows where the installations are from. It's completely blind qualification, so that if there's no prejudice to the UK market whatsoever.
None whatsoever. And the quality that's in Europe is fantastic. I mean, which was why, for the amount that was submitted last year, really, it's true to say that the majority were winning because there were less. I think that's built. And now there's a lot more people in Europe excited about entering that, and I think it's going to be a great. It's
going to be a great event.
Great event. Again.
Well, looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thanks.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Okay.